Hello students, now we will study the prevention from rusting, different methods that are used to prevent rusting of iron. So first method used to prevent rusting is painting. By painting we can prevent rusting. You might have seen when the iron grills are painted, before putting the oil paint, first of all, the base paint is done, that is red in color. This base paint is actually red lead. So this coating of red lead prevents the iron articles from rusting. Second is oil paint. This paint is applied on base paint. Base paint means the red lead paint. So this paint is applied on base paint. It prevents the process of rusting. Third is enamel coating. Enamel is a mixture of iron and steel with silicates. It is used to prevent rusting in cooking appliances and refrigerators. Then there is coal tar. It is used for coating the lower portions of the ship and bridges. So that lower portions of bridge and ships can be prevented from rusting by coating with coal tar. And next is plastic coating. Plastic coating is done over the steel pipelines and it is also done over the hangers also to prevent the process of rusting. So by painting, rusting can be prevented. Second way to prevent rusting is greasing or oiling. We generally use to grease or oil the parts of machinery for lubrication process. So it not only lubricates but also protects the different parts from corrosion. Third way is metallic coating. Metallic coating means that we do the coating of some other metal over the iron. So in this we can do galvanization. In process of galvanization, the iron articles are dipped in molten zinc. Molten zinc में डुबा देते हैं उसको, right? And it is done in case of buckets, tubs, water pipes. And this type of galvanized iron is called GI iron, galvanized iron. We can get galvanized iron pipes in market. Now, in case of articles in which we used to store some food item, we do not do galvanization because food containers, they react with zinc. Food items react with zinc. Food items, acids, those are present in food articles, they will react with zinc and form poisonous compounds. So this method is not applicable for the containers used to store food. Second is tin plating. In tin plating, iron is dipped in molten tin. Now this tin is a corrosion resistant and non-toxic metal. So tin plating can be done for the containers that are used to store food items. You might have seen cold drink cans. That cold drink cans are tin plated. Then aluminium plating. This process of aluminium plating protects the iron bridges, iron furnitures, telephone poles, etc. from rusting. Next method is alloy formation. Alloy is a homogeneous mixture of two or more than two metals or metal with non-metal. So the steel glasses that you use at home, that steel glasses, stainless steel, that is actually a alloy of iron with nickel, chromium and carbon. Then we do electroplating. Electroplating is a process in which a layer of some other metal is deposited over the iron article using the process of electrolysis. But this process is costly method. Now near Qutub Minar, where is Qutub Minar? In Delhi, right? So near Qutub Minar, there is one iron pillar. That iron pillar is more than 800 years old, but there is no rusting on that iron pillar. Reason is that that iron pillar is made up of alloy of iron with phosphorus, which prevent it from rusting.